Hello everybody, my name is Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing a box that is not a subscription box. It is a very unique box called Discover Jerusalem. Unbox Jerusalem. It is by a company called Genesi. Again, this is not a subscription. It is a one-off box, and the theme of this box is educational and touristy in nature. If you have never been to Jerusalem, maybe you'll never go in your lifetime, this is the box for you to see what it's like. Or if you have children or you want to educate yourself, this is the box for you, because inside the box is obviously a card that says "Welcome to Jerusalem," and on the back of the card is a link. This website link and password, there's a password right there that I'm covering, will send you to a video where you're going to see a narration by a narrator. I'm sorry, I don't remember his name, but he was very colorful and very exciting. And he is going to take you on a trip to Jerusalem, to all the famous sites and his favorite places. And during that trip, you are going to meet special guests like DJ Rafi. Was it DJ Rafi? Yeah, DJ Rafi. You're going to meet Paula. She's a woman skateboarder who has a skateboarding club for all ages, and they are going to help us unbox everything in this box. Before I begin the unboxing, when you watch the video, it comes with a companion map. And this map is full of clues and activities for you and your family, and it corresponds to the numbers on the gift. So when you're watching the video, it's going to pause and you're going to answer certain riddles on this map, and he's going to tell you, check out, question A or riddle A and do that activity, or unbox prize 1, prize 2, gift 3. And that way you can have an interactive unboxing experience with the video. So I am going to unbox the items. Obviously, I am not going to show the video. That is almost 50 minutes, and I don't have the capacity to walk through the video and correctly show you all the items. But what I am going to do is unbox everything in here and show you all the special gifts. So let's go with gift number 1. You're going to get a package. Each package is wrapped in tissue paper with the corresponding number, and this one says thank you. So I am going to unwrap it. And it's very cool. Oh, look at this. The newspaper is from Israel. It is printed in Hebrew. And your first gift is this. This is actually a light. That in ancient times, people would light this with olive oil. They would fill it up with olive oil and light it up. And it would light up their homes, their temples. And yeah, I don't know if this one is, I'm ever gonna actually light this one, but it is a nice piece of history to know how people had light before obviously electricity. So that is the first gift. The second gift in here, let's see what this is. Okay. This is a menorah. Let's see if you can see that good. It says Jerusalem on it. This is obviously something you would get in a souvenir shop. So this is the traditional 7 candle menorah. This is different from a Hanukkah menorah, which would have 8 candles, with the middle one being called the Shemus candle. This one is of the 7 days of the week, and I believe the middle one is the Sabbath candle. And this is a traditional menorah you would find in a temple or in people's homes. So that's really nice souvenir type piece. So this is gift number 4. See a little character on there, and inside is a little bag with 5 little metal squares. So in the video, you follow this woman skateboarder named Pilo, who shows us how to play a game with these. These are kind of like pick-up sticks. Remember the game where you threw sticks on the ground and picked them up without moving other sticks? Or jacks, where you picked up the jacks? This is the same concept, where you throw one up in the air and pick up a block, hold that block in your hand, throw up another block, pick up another block until you have all 5 blocks in your hand. So this is a really great game for kids, or for you to play with your kids. That is gift 4. Going on to gift 5. Let me find it. Here is gift 5. It's in a little bag. And we have another picture of Jerusalem. And another little baggie with pills. So this is kind of something you want to definitely, don't let little children have these little pills, because they look like little pills. But it is a game of gratitude where you open up the pill. There's a little scroll of paper in there, and inside the player writes down what they're grateful for, and they close it up, and then you all put them on a table, take turns picking and reading about what you're grateful for. So that's what this little item is for. It is for 5 players. So you write little notes. In the Jewish religion, it's very common to write notes on scrolls and put them in like a mezuzah on your door, or prayers, you put them inside that mezuzah. This is kind of similar to that, where you write notes, put it in here, and write for what you're grateful of. So that is gift 5. This is gift 6. It's a little bit open. Probably got a little damage in shipping, but it is a little box with pure olive oil soap. It's 100% natural, made in Israel by Nablus Soap Company. I love me some soap. And it is an authentic block of soap. You don't get more authentic than that. Look at that. And it smells clean and natural. I don't think this is fragranced, but you have a big block of soap. Okay, on to gift 7. You're gonna get it just like this. There is a little sign that says caution. It contains allergens. So I'm assuming if you have any type of wheat or peanut allergy, definitely check the ingredients in here, because it is a bag of snacks. So in the video, they take you through the market. There are, in Jerusalem, there's 3 markets. One of them is the Israeli market, and that is called Machin Yehuda Food Market. There's also a Christian market and a Muslim or Islamic market as well. These are snacks from the Jewish market, Israeli market, and it's all sorts of crunchy Israeli snacks and candies. Yeah, it's written both in Hebrew and Arabic on the back. And they also enclosed 2 packages of instant coffee. Love me some ground coffee. This is great for instant coffee. This is mine. Snacks or beef. I mean, I'll try them, but my son gets these. And my husband, they're big snack eaters. So that is gift 7. Okay, off to gift 8. We have another little baggie. Let me see what's in here. So it says, it's just a postcard. It says, democracy is fun, and your mission is to make a new house law. So you write a fun house law here. They actually give you a little wooden pencil, and this is a family game that you can have with your kids. So that is gift 8. Going on to gift 9, my gift 9 is like this because I did peek at it. When I was going through the video and I kind of figured out what it was, I had to see it. This is something you would find in a market in Jerusalem, and they gave us a very beautiful handmade bowl. It says Jerusalem on it. So in your box, these are going to vary by color, but it's absolutely gorgeous, and it says handmade on the back of the bowl, and it's really, really pretty. I love little trinket bowls. So that is probably, this right here is my favorite item in the box. This is gift 9. Then we have gift 10. Remember, when you're watching the video and going through all the historical sites and fun places in Israel, you're going to be prompted in the video to open up each gift. And this is, I have no idea. Something flat. So this is called a hamsa if you're Jewish, or if you're from the Muslim faith, it's called Fatma's hand. This is very common. I actually have this in a keychain. I have a necklace of this. This is to take away any bad spirits, to ward against the evil eye and from any bad thing. So this is a common symbol that you would see in Jerusalem and throughout Israel. This is actually very, very pretty. I'm glad it's different from the ones I have, but this is Hamsa. Okay, on to gift 11. We have another baggie. Oh, this is something I do not have, and I will have to make one of these. This is very popular in Kabbalah. This is the red thread bracelet that you see many people wear on their wrist as a bracelet. It is also to ward against evil spirits, the evil eye, prevents bad luck, good health, promotes good health. So this is, I've never worn a Kabbalah bracelet before, but it is very, they associate it with Jewish mysticism. So that's the Kabbalah bracelet. Okay, there's 2 more gifts in the box. 13, and I'm assuming this is 12. It is not numbered, but that's okay. I'm going to assume this in the video. If I remember correctly, this is gift 12. So why would they give us blank pieces of paper? Because, take this pencil or a pen, you've probably heard of the Wailing Wall, the Western Wall, or Kotel. Kotel actually in Hebrew translates to wall. It is a very significant place for all religions, especially Judaism. You write prayers on here, you write hopes, you write wishes on here. It's all very private and secret. You write for what you wish for, fold it up in a little square, go pray at the Western Wall and stick it in the cracks. You've probably seen thousands and thousands of pieces of paper of people sticking their hopes and dreams and wishes into the Western Wall. And that's what this is for. They want you to write this at home, and then when you get the opportunity to visit Israel, you take what you have written and put it in the wall. So that is really special. Okay, this is the 13th and last gift in the box. It is a little metal pomegranate. See? It's really cute. So, and as an agricultural society, not only did they grow olives for olive oil and to make it soap that's in this box, but they also grew pomegranates. And inside, so again, a little trinket box is a piece of paper. And it says, according to tradition, there are 613 seeds in each pomegranate, which is also the number of commandments in the Torah. I did not know there were 613 commandments. So that is this last gift, which is really cute. So that is Genesi Box. Again, it is a educational box, a tourism type box, so you get to know Jerusalem. I know I just touched on the very basics of this box because you really have to watch the companion video and follow on with the map. But these are all the gifts. Again, they'll tell you when you watch the video, stop here to open this gift or stop here to solve this riddle. So it's a really family fun interactive box that would be great for family time or for religious school purposes, or if you're teaching your child religion at home, it can be taught in that setting just as well as a school. So thank you, Genesi Box, for sending me this box for my review. It is a very interesting box, and I really enjoyed watching the video and opening up all the special gifts. I will have a code down in the description box to get a percentage off your box. At the time I make this video, I'm not really sure of the percentage. I think it's going to be 5% or 10% off your box if you choose to buy it, and it is free shipping. So guys, if I taught you anything in this video, let me know with a thumbs up and a like and a subscribe if you so choose, and I will see you in the next video. Take care all. Bye.